Struggling with frizzy hair that just won't cooperate? Here are the 5 best hair straightener brushes I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1 is the Revlon One-Step Volumizer Hair Dryer and Styler, priced at about $42.31. What caught my attention is its unique ability to style, dry, and volumize your hair all in one step. If you want salon-quality blowouts without the hassle, this is worth a serious look. This product combines powerful 1100 watts of drawing power with a special oval brush design that reduces frizz by 30%. The ceramic coating ensures even heat distribution, which means your hair dries fast and stays protected from damage. Plus, with 3 heat/speed settings, you can easily tailor it to your hair type, a must if you're looking for that personalized touch. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With 20,000 plus units sold in the past month and glowing reviews, it's clear this brush is a favorite among those tired of spending hours styling their hair. It can smooth, lift, and create curls that last, giving you volume where you need it most. Now, some people complained about it being a bit heavy to maneuver. Here's the thing though. While it's true that the weight might be noticeable at first, many users find that the results are worth it. If you're seeking quick and effective styling, this could be a small trade-off. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an all-in-one tool to simplify your morning routine. Skip this one if you prefer a lighter brush or if you've got super short hair. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for a blowout look with added versatility. Product number 2, the Wavy Talk Thermal Brush, which comes in at about $47.94. What really stands out is its dual voltage feature, making it perfect for travel. If you want that professional blowout look from the comfort of your home, this one's definitely worth your attention. This heated round brush uses tourmaline ceramic technology and offers 5 temperature settings, which helps to minimize damage while styling. The negative ion technology means you're reducing frizz and boosting shine with every stroke. This is especially important if you've got thick or curly hair, as you want to ensure that heat is distributed evenly. Here's why this matters for you. With over 10,000 units sold last month, it's clear that users love the way this brush delivers results. You get the smoothness of a straightener and the volume of a blow dryer, all without the fuss. However, some users felt it took a bit longer to heat up compared to other brushes. I'll be real with you, if you're in a rush, that might be a bit frustrating. But if you're willing to wait those extra moments, the results are genuinely worth it. This is perfect for anyone who travels often or enjoys styling versatility. Skip this if you prefer a quick heat up time or have fine hair that requires lower temperatures. Now, if the previous product's heat time bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a steam function. Product number 3, Revlon One-Step Hair Dryer and Styler. Another Revlon gem, the One-Step Hair Dryer and Styler, priced at just $33.71. What caught my eye is its all-in-one design that promises salon-quality results. If you need a brush that's easy to use and effective, you should definitely consider this one. This tool is designed to deliver smooth and straight styles effortlessly. With 7,000 plus units sold last month, it's popular for a reason. The 30% less frizz claim is no joke, especially with its unique brush design that helps detangle while you style. Here's why this matters for you. The brush's lightweight and ergonomic design means you can maneuver it with ease, making styling less of a chore. Plus, the ceramic technology ensures that your hair gets heated evenly, reducing the risk of damage. But here's the thing. Some users reported that it can get quite hot, so you'll want to be cautious if you have sensitive hair. While this can be a concern, the majority of users appreciate the results and manage to adjust their styling techniques accordingly. This is perfect for anyone looking for an easy-to-use straightening tool. Skip it if you have very fine hair or if you're sensitive to heat. Alright, that was a great option, but the next one might just blow you away with its steam technology. Product number 4, MegaWise Pro Ceramic Ionic Hair Straightener Brush. We have the MegaWise Pro Ceramic Ionic Hair Straightener Brush, which is super wallet-friendly at just $19.65. What grabbed my attention is its fast heating technology, which heats up in just 20 seconds. If you're always in a hurry in the morning, this one's for you. This brush combines the functions of a straightener and a detangler, which means fewer tools cluttering your bathroom. It emits negative ions to reduce frizz while providing precise temperature control, making it ideal for all hair types. The automatic shutoff feature after 60 minutes is a nice safety touch too. Here's why this matters for you. With 2,000 plus units sold last month, it's clear that this brush is loved by those who appreciate efficient styling. The anti-scald technology means you can use it without the fear of burns, which is a huge plus. Now, some people have said the bristles could be a bit too stiff for their liking. Honestly, if you have very fine hair, this might be a deal breaker. But for most others, the efficiency and affordability make it a great choice. This one's perfect for someone who values speed and safety in their styling. Skip it if your hair is particularly fine or if you prefer softer bristles. Now, if that last option didn't quite fit your needs, the final product may just be the luxurious solution you've been looking for. Product number 5. Wavy Talk Pro Steam Brush. The Wavy Talk Pro Steam Hair Straightener Brush, priced at $67.17. What really stands out is its steam technology, which claims to nourish your hair while straightening it. If you're concerned about hair health but still want a sleek look, this is worth your time. This 3-in-1 tool combines straightening, combing, and steam care to give you shinier, smoother hair with less frizz. The steam function releases moisture as it straightens, ensuring that your hair isn't just styled but also hydrated. It heats up in just 30 seconds, which is great if you're on a tight schedule. Here's why this matters for you. With 2,000 plus units sold in the past month, people are loving the dual benefits of styling and care. The anti-scald technology means you can style without worry, and it caters to various hair types with 4 temperature settings. However, some users mentioned that the steam function takes a bit of getting used to, especially if you're used to traditional straighteners. While this might pose a slight learning curve, the benefits can definitely outweigh that initial adjustment. This is perfect for those who prioritize hair health while styling. Skip this if you prefer a straightforward, no-fuss straightening tool. So if you're looking for a way to keep your hair healthy while achieving that sleek look, this might be the one for you. So after checking out these 5 incredible hair straightener brushes, let's do a quick recap. The Revlon One-Step Volumizer is fantastic for those who want a salon-quality blowout at home, while the Wavy Talk Thermal Brush offers travel-friendly versatility. The Revlon One-Step Hair Dryer is perfect for simplifying your routine, and the MegaWise Pro is a budget-friendly option if you're always in a rush. Finally, the Wavy Talk Pro Steam Brush is great for nurturing your hair while styling.